Hello friends, I'm Akash. In this episode of Math Tricks and Tips, we are going to learn how to multiply numbers near to but below 100. So, let's begin by trying to solve, let's say, 94 times 97. First, take the difference between each number and 100. The reason why we use 100 specifically is because it's a base number. Both of the numbers in this equation, 94 and 97, are close to 100, which makes it easier to calculate. In this case, that would be 94 minus 100, which is negative 6, and 97 minus 100, which is negative 3. Note that we're doing it like this, with negative numbers. The number comes first and then 100, not the other way around. Make sure to write these differences, negative 6 and negative 3, down too. It'll come in handy later. We'll take these two numbers and then multiply them. And since a negative times a negative is a positive, negative 6 times negative 3 is just the same as 6 times 3, which is 18. And so 18 are the last two digits of our answer. Now, we look at the numbers that we're multiplying together with, and then we draw a line crossing over to the opposite difference in our equation. So, as you can see here, if we do that, you'll see we have a sort of X shape, as you can see right here. Now, all we have to do is just cross-subtract, using these arrows, using either one of these pairs. And as it turns out, you can choose whichever one is comfortable to you, because 94 minus 3 and 97 minus 6 both equal the exact same thing, 91. So this answer will be the first two digits of the answer, hence 94 times 97 is, as you can see right here, 9,118. This is a really simple trick, and it's going to help you a lot. Next, let's do another one to really get a grip on this trick. Let's try to solve 93 times 95. We take the difference between these numbers and 100, getting negative 7 and negative 5 respectively. We write these down. Next, we multiply both of these numbers together, getting 35, which are the last two digits of our answer. Next, we cross-subtract these two from the opposite numbers in the equation, creating again that X shape. And since both 93 minus 5 and 95 minus 7 are both 88, the first two digits of our answer is 88. So our final answer is 8,835. Let's do yet another one. Say 92 times 90. We take the difference between each number and 100. 92 minus 100 is negative 8, and 90 minus 100 is negative 10. We write these numbers down. Next, we multiply both differences together, and negative 8 times negative 10 is 80, which are our last two digits. Then, we cross-subtract again, X shape. We cross-subtract the numbers from the opposite differences and get 82. Either way works, which are our first two digits. This means that 92 times 90, final answer is 8,280. Now, let's do one final one. Say 91 times 96. Again, we take the difference between each number and 100. So 91 minus 100 is negative 9, and 96 minus 100 is negative 4. Then multiply these two numbers together, getting 36. Those are the two last digits of our answer. Then X shape, cross-subtract the numbers, and either way you're just going to get 87. So 91 times 96 is 8,736. So now you know how to multiply numbers near to and below 100. So now it's homework time. Try to figure out what 94 times 92, 98 times 99, 90 times 97, and 100 times 93 are. I'm sure you're going to get them right, and if you want to check if you're right, then the answers are in the description below. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like my videos, then make sure to subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon so you don't miss my new videos every time I upload. Once again, thanks so much for watching. Love you, Akash.